Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $3.96 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. So I'm just gonna figure out how much is gonna go into each one in this video, and then in the next video, which I'll have up, I usually have those up on Sunday, I will cash stuff all of these amounts into my envelopes. So I have $3.96 right off the bat. 170 of that is going into my wallet. I've actually been pretty good this week when it comes to spending from my wallet. I've actually been really busy at home, so I haven't had the opportunity to go out and really spend from my envelopes. Because I still have, I spent a little bit, but I still have 20 in spending. I might spend a little bit from here today. We'll see. Eating out, I did eat out once, and that was with my coworkers. We decided to go get some In-N-Out, and my coworker picked it up for us, and we all ate it together in the office. But that's been my only eating out experience so far this week. Groceries, I have a little bit left over. Definitely coffee. Again, work. Coworker goes get the coffee, so that definitely has been spent. I think I have one more. I had it reloaded recently, and I still have enough for one more coffee that I might get after I film this video. And then I still have buffer money. So these are the categories that I spend from each week, and will get refilled with 170. And then in my cash stuffing video, I will take this money out, whatever's left over in here, in the majority of these categories, and put it into savings. So that will really help some of my savings amounts that I'm trying to fill. So I have $3.96 minus 170. That leaves me with $2.26 for everything else. So I'm gonna make that stretch. I'm gonna make that go into a lot of envelopes. So first I want to start off with savings. I want to do the Here for the Snacks one. I will not restocking. Actually, this is a new product that I will be launching soon in my shop. I'm actually working on these today to make them. So this is a little fun, like magical treat, little savings challenge. So this one, I always like to have one where I have to roll the dice because that's fun. And I'm gonna roll twice so we can see what I get here. I like to do this one first so that since I have to roll the dice, I can get this one out of the way first. So let's see what I get. So this one, let me do it again because it fell. All right, so this one is 5 and 3, which is the ice cream, and that is 4. And then I also need a sticky note. Okay, so 4, and then I'll roll one more time. All right, we got 4 and 1, which is a candy apple, and that is 2. A little Mickey apple, actually. And that's $6 going into this challenge this week. I think that's what I put in it last week, too. So 6. All right, that leaves me with $2.20. And I want to focus now. Actually, let me do... No, I'll come back to this one. Okay, I want to focus on some high priority envelopes. Just get those out of the way. Next, I'm thinking, since I only have $2.20 and I want to put something into every single envelope. Well, yeah, the envelopes that I am stuffing still. I think I'm going to start with... I'll do 15 in these. So first one is auto. We'll get 15. Extra savings, we'll get 15. Month ahead, we'll get 15. And then go wild. This one right here, because I'm saving for my ticket for this event whenever it goes on sale, which I haven't heard anything about it, but they usually are pretty quiet until they put the tickets up for sale. Okay, so but I'm preparing myself for that ticket because I think it was last year, it was like $700. So, and I think, who knows, it could be more because it's the 10th anniversary. It's the 10th anniversary of the event, and it's gonna be in New Orleans. So it might be more compared to when we went this year to Indianapolis. So, you know, hotels, I'm assuming, are more expensive over there. But those are my high priority envelopes. Now I'm just gonna probably put 5s in a lot of envelopes going forward. So electronics, 5. There's a couple I will add 10s to. Emergency, I'll just put 5 this week. Okay, did that one. Furniture, we'll just get 5. Rainy day, we'll get 5. If I have extra leftover, like if I have more leftover than I thought, I might come back to that one. Registration's already fully funded, so don't have to worry about that one. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. Oops. Nope. Oh no. Where's the minus? Okay. Yeah, there you go. Travel. I do want to put 10 in travel because I want to buy some things for my upcoming trip, especially for the plane, because I have never been on a 10+ hour flight before. So there's things that I want to do to be a little bit more comfortable on there. So yeah. Let's see, let's do this one next. Actually, this one. Okay, beauty. I have 45, 5 on that one. Costco will get 5. Clothing, 5. Family, 5. Gifts, 5. Oops. Household, I do want to put 10 in household. I need to buy some laundry detergent, so, well, laundry stuff. I need to buy a couple things for laundry, so a little bit more in there. Pantry is already fully funded, so that has 30. Home, 5. And Target, 5. All right, so I have 70 left. I have one more binder plus some more savings challenges. Already did Go Wild. Disneyland will just get 5 this week. I'm going next week for 2 days. So I will make sure my next cash stuffing to stuff a lot more because I only have $5 in there. Fun will get 5. Treat yourself, we'll get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas will get 5. And holiday decor will get 5. All right, I do want to go back to, what was that one that I wanted to do? Rainy day. Rainy day will get 10. I'm putting money aside for Christmas week, the week of Christmas, because I'm starting to realize I'm not going to have enough PTO for Christmas. Usually I have enough PTO to cover myself for Christmas, and this year I won't have that. So I'm trying to just at least have a little bit extra. Thankfully, I have my channel here where I make income, and I have my shop, and I have other like revenue streams. So it's not just like my full-time job, but I like having that as a cushion. So I'm just, whatever I can save for Christmas would be cool. Yeah, I think that's a good idea for me to do. So that's what I'm doing. That rainy day is gonna fund that, or just at least, you know, cushion the blow a little bit for that week that I'm off. 52 circles. All right, so 12 is my highest number left for this one. I think I should just knock that one out. I have 35. So think I should be fine. Yeah. 12, we'll see how this works out. 12, okay, and 52 circles. I do want to do one in this. This is a $10 challenge for me, so this will get 10. This will get 5. This is a $5 challenge for me. 5. Okay, and then Cash Dash, poor little Cash Dash, will get 5 this week, which is not enough to color anything in because I don't think it has any. I already colored in all the 5s. Did I color in all the 5s? No, I didn't. Okay. I didn't color in all the 5s, but I like to leave the 5s open. I started noticing that I was coloring in all the lower numbers too quickly for my liking because I can't erase this and, you know, push things to higher numbers. So I'm keeping these open. I know they're here. I know because sometimes people will be like, you have 5s, but no, this is my strategy. I want to leave these open. I'm going to plan for 5, but it's going to get more than 5 because I have leftover money in my wallet, or I'm hoping to have leftover money in my wallet to put towards savings. So for now, 5 will go in here, minus 5, and then that 3 will go into my dollar challenge here. I'm hoping I didn't mess up on the numbers because I was a little funny over here with my calculations, like hitting buttons. So I'm just gonna double check and make sure I am correct. I'm hoping I'm correct because I do like the amounts that I planned out for this amount of money in my envelopes. So I'm hoping I didn't mess up anywhere and I have to edit anything, so we shall see, but I'm gonna do that off camera. So everything looks good, yay. Okay, didn't mess up anywhere. So now I'm just going to figure out the denominations for this. So first up, we have auto, which is 15. That's a 10 and a 5, and then a 5, lots of 5s. 10 and a 5, 5, 15 for a month ahead, 10 and a 5, 10, more 5s here, a 10, lots of 5s here, a 10, 5, 5, 15, 5s, 12. Okay, so 52 circles is 12, so that's 10 and 2. 1s, Cash Dash is 5, a 10, and then a 5, 3, and here for the snacks is 6, so that's a 5 and a 1. All right, now I'm just gonna count them. So 50, that's 1, 20s is 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 5s. And then 1s, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alrighty. Looking good so far. All right. And then now I'm just going to multiply these and then get the total. So 50 times 1 is 50, 20 times 3 is 60, 10 times 14 is 140, 27 times 5 is 135. Is it 135? Oh my goodness, why do 5s always mess me up? Yeah, 135. And then 11. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add these together and make sure it all equals out to 396. 60, 140, 135, and 11. 396, perfect. All right, so just gonna write out a little sticky note to give to the teller. So I have 50 times 1 is 50. 20, I need 3 of those. That's 60. 10, 14 of those, that's 140. 5s, 27, 135, and 1s, I need 11. It's $11, total of $396. Okay, so that is everything for my cash planning for this week. Thank you so much for watching, for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it really means a lot. The support over here on my channel really helps out. So thank you so much for that. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, so it's definitely in the budget. And I put out lots of content. So if you like this video, I'm sure you'll like all the other videos I make. So definitely would love for you to subscribe. And then if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, like I said, subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.